Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. The topic of this video is nested loop in C++. Now let's begin. The nested loop involves one loop inside another loop. The inner loop runs multiple times for every single time the outer loop run. As you can see, loop inside another loop, first the outer loop run, then the inner loop run completely, and this process will continue until loop is not end. Nested loops are useful when you need to do repetitive things on two-dimensional arrays or matrices. For example, you can use a nested loop in C++ to create a multiplication table. The outer loop runs from 1 to 10, and for every time it runs, the inner loop also runs from 1 to 10. Now let's multiply I and j and print it on screen using cout less. Here is the complete code. So for every single iteration of outer loop, the inner loop run 10 times and we multiply inner and outer loop. This is of this example table from 1 to 10. The first row shows the multiples of 1, the second row shows the multiples of 2, and so on, up to 10. I hope this explanation is easier to understand. Please let me know if you have any more questions.